a giant fancy shrimp cocktail. This is called court bouillon. You make this when you're cooking these shrimp. First of all, when we boil shrimp, we boil it in the shell and devein and shell it after so that the shrimp stays more intact. Those big, pretty, the big giant, it doesn't curl up as much, so they stay nice and pretty to sit up nice for presentation. The court bouillon is water and wine and aromatics. I throw in a sliced lemon, a handful of herbs, thyme and parsley, and carrot, celery, and onion. The shrimp will only cook about, it depends on the size of the shrimp, but between 3 and 5 minutes. And we're gonna cook them right in the shell, then cold shock them, then peel them and devein them. I'm gonna slide these guys in. And then quickly before we go to break, I'll show you the cocktail sauce we use in my family. My mom taught me when I was a kid. In this bowl, I have a low sugar ketchup. I like Sir Kensington's. It's a great little brand, but whatever ketchup you like. Ketchup in the bowl. If you like a sweeter cocktail sauce, start with chili sauce. Chili sauce sounds like it would be spicy, but it's not. It's actually got sugar in it, so it's a little sweeter. I like to start with ketchup, and I add my mom's secret ingredient, minced celery from the heart for the cocktail sauce, and prepared horseradish or freshly grated. We go heavy on horseradish in my family. We like it spicy. Your hot sauce of choice. Tabasco, you want to go milder. This is Frank's Red Hot. It is a little milder and more vinegar content, so I put in a fair amount of that too. Worcestershire is a must. Of course, black pepper, of course. Oh, okay, wasn't that punny? Fine. And then we're gonna add the lemon, and that's it. You mix this together and chill it. We're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, he's gonna make the au jus, and I'm gonna get this shrimp cold shocked, and he's also gonna make a creme fraiche sauce with me. Me and Lou, back to you in a couple. Here's how we plate up the shrimp. It's on a bed of ice to keep it nice and cold with our cocktail sauce in the middle. And I just scattered around some salty treats here, these big, beautiful caper berries. You could serve it with some saltines like my mom did back in the day. Now, since it's so festive and the New Year is just days away, we wanted to make sure that everybody joining us today had a little something extra to inspire them to celebrate a little bit more. So everyone gets to go home with this really cool thing. It's a Wearator. Get this, like an aerator. It's a Wearator gift pack. Wait till you hear what this does. It features the W2 electric wine aerator and decanter and the 3-in-1 electric wine opener. So it's all this stuff. I know, and it's worth 200 smackaroos, $200. Thank you so much, Sir Wearator. That's a really nice gift for everyone.